A few months ago, my mum came to visit me in Jakarta. And the first thing she asked for? Yep, an ojek ride.
Oh my god, we just came off and we're on the pavement. I can't believe it. I think I want to kiss the pavement. This is the first pavement I've seen in 2 weeks.
Nyokap komplain di kota ini nggak bisa jalan kaki di mana-mana. Jadi sekarang dia senang bisa jalan kaki di Mega Kuningan.
Fantastic. You can walk on the pavement.
Mom, you know this is gonna be on YouTube.
No.
Yeah, you're gonna be a YouTube star.
No.
Yes.
No way.
There are a lot of people like my mum who think that Jakarta is a really crazy town. There's so much traffic and it's really difficult to get around. We have traffic lights that let us walk.
The zebra crossing, unbelievable.
This trip, I wanted to prove to my mum that Jakarta is changing for the better. In London, my mum uses the bus every day, so I wanted to show her our buses, the busway.
Block M.
Block M. And we're going all the way up straight to okay. Attention maman.
Bener kota.
Attention maman.
Dia nanti di belakang tuh. Kota-kota.
Now we're on the busway. We baru naik dari Block M. What do you think of the buses here?
Brilliant. Yes, there is even aircon.
Yeah.
So we don't have to complain about it.
Yeah,
It's
kan?
nice and cool.
Iya kan?
Yes, and then like that I can see the town a little bit.
Now you can see where you were going.
Hoping we won't get stuck in traffic. So let's see if that busway really works.
I personally love the busway, especially if I have to go to meetings in Central. All I do is go to Block M and go straight to Plaza Indonesia, for example. And what I love about it is I get to zoom by all these suckers stuck in traffic. Haha. The busway is cheap, it's practical, and it saves so much more of my time because I'm not stuck in traffic. It's amazing. Alright, Mum. We've been on the bus now. What do you think?
Well, I think it's brilliant. They should extend the network to make it much more easier for people going to work or even going shopping.
And what do you think about the bus lane?
Bus lane is very good, and I think they should do the same in London.
What, to have the big barriers?
That's right. So then people cannot park and create chaos.
And you know, if you go in the bus lane here, you have to pay a fine.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. People have got to be disciplined.
Turun dan perhatikan barang bawaan Anda. Terima kasih.
Jakarta isn't necessarily a sightseeing city, but there are actually loads of cool places to go to. So every time my mum comes, I want to show her something new. Welcome to Chinatown. So, ojek dan, busway dan, and now bajai. Welcome to Kota Tua. This is Old Batavia, and it's one of the coolest places to see in Jakarta. Now, whenever I'm in Kota Tua, I always take a bajai to Sunda Kelapa, the port. The boat now. Sekarang kami lagi di Sunda Kelapa, lagi lihat-lihat perahu. My mom has been married to a Bugis man for over 30 years, so it's not surprising she has a love for the sea. Mama, dia mau dibawain ke laut. Dia dibawa ke laut. Mama, what's that? The Bugis people from South Sulawesi are the seafarers of Indonesia. So it's not surprising that the captain of our little boat, or sampan, is himself Bugis. Okay, it's not the prettiest looking sea. It's a bit dirty, it's a bit polluted, but a day out by the water is always nice. And who would have thought you could do this in Jakarta, huh? So Mum, yesterday I gave you an ojek, and today I've given you an amazing adventure by bajai, busway, and boat. But now, the best thing that Jakarta has to offer. Makan. Kelapa Gading area has some of the best seafood you can find in Jakarta. It's beautifully fresh and they grill it right before your eyes. After every great adventure must come an incredible meal. This is one trip that my mum definitely won't forget.